Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on your ROG Ally. We will begin by installing an Android emulator, which is essential for running mobile games like PUBG. This powerful handheld PC can deliver an excellent gaming experience once properly configured. You will find that setting up these tools correctly ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience, making the most of your device's capabilities. Selecting the right Android emulator is your first important step. Options like BlueStacks and LD Player are very popular choices, known for their strong performance and user-friendly interfaces. When making your decision, focus on an emulator that provides excellent compatibility and efficient resource management. This will help ensure that PUBG Mobile runs without any noticeable lag or slowdowns on your ROG Ally. After successfully installing your chosen emulator, open it up and head straight to the Google Play Store. From there, simply search for PUBG Mobile and click to install the game, just as you would on any mobile device. Before launching, remember to adjust your emulator's settings. Allocating at least 8 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores will significantly improve game stability and frame rates. Now for the fun part, mapping your ROG Ally's physical controls directly to the game. Every good emulator includes a robust key mapping tool that lets you assign actions like movement, aiming, and shooting to specific buttons. Take your time to create a comfortable and intuitive setup. Remember to save your custom profile so you can jump right into the action during every future session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.